Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. Let us see how Microsoft Excel will use the arithmetic expression whenever you have given some data. This is the data which I have given as a sample, and I will copy this same data here. And let us see how Microsoft Excel will use this data to calculate. The first step, what Excel uses is to remove this particular bracket. Bracket will be the first operation, and any bracket within the given set of numbers which will be operated first. 6 plus 9 will be operated first, as this is the bracket, and the total will be 15. The next step is to divide from left to right. So what Excel will do is, as a next step, it will take 48 divided by 4. So 48 divided by 4 will be taken next, and the output will be, or the total will be 12. The third step will be multiply left to right. After dividing 48 by 4, you get the value of 12, and also the first step, what you got, the value which is 15. This will be 15 in the first step. After that, 48 divided by 4, it will be 12. Now, as per this operation, multiply left to right. So 24 into 12 into 15 will be calculated. 24 into 12 into 15 will be calculated. I'll put equals so that I'll get the total here. 4320 is the total for 24 into 12 into 15. Let me explain once again. So it will calculate these numbers in the third step, because this will be the multiplication. After removing the bracket and after dividing, it will take the data which is left out for multiplying. So 24 into 12 into 15, you get the total as 4320. The next step is, fourth step is add left to right. So we got the total as 4320 from the third step. Left to right is 75 plus 4320. So what will be the total? Total will be 4395. 4395 will be the total after doing the fourth step. Fifth step, any number after all these operations, the first operation, the second operation, third operation, after all these operations, the last operation will be to minus or subtract the value from the given value. So basically it will subtract the number which is there in the left to right. So 4395 will be subtracted by the value of 5, because this number which was there in the first step, that has not been taken during this calculation till fourth step. So in the fifth step, we are taking this minus 5 and we are subtracting 4395 with minus 5. So that will be equal to 4390. 4390 will be the total. Let me copy this numbers, and if I put equal here, I should get the same value which we got after going through all this step-by-step operation. Because Excel will calculate by itself with its own inbuilt feature just by entering the equal symbol with arithmetic expression. It will automatically calculate and give you the result. So 4390 is the result of what we got after doing this step-by-step operation and also with the direct method. Thank you for watching the video. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.